It's all taste. And bhakti development and advancement of bhakti depends on taste. Krishna says in Gita, maybe, I don't know, the second chanted, Vishaiva nivartante nihar dehana rasa varjam rasopyasya pramdrisva nivartate. Pramdrisva nivarte. Rasa varjam. When you experience that rasa, that taste, rasa varjam. Varjam means ever increasing, like vardhanam. Rasa varjam rasopyasya. When you experience that ever increasing ras, then you see the truth. Because the truth is rasika shekar. The truth is Rasaraj Sri Krishna. So this is Pram Dristva. Pram, it's simple. Transcendence. Dristi means seeing. Pram Dristva. You see the ultimate transcendence. The Parama means the ultimate, the highest, the best, the transcendence. Parama Dristva Nivartate. Then you don't go back. You don't go on that Vartman. You don't go to that path of Vishayi Marg, the path of sense enjoyment. You don't walk on it because you're tasting that ras. This is Gita. Rasuvarjam rasopyasya. Param, you know this verse. Param jisva nivartate. Very nice verse. So that these books. I mean, I have a friend. He's been a long time in Krishna Bhakti. And he said, I feel a little dry and I really want to love Radha Krishna, but I just can't seem to get anywhere. So I said, why don't you go on the net and download some books, Radha Rasudanidhi and Vilap Kusumanjali with the commentaries of Anantadas Pandit. So he did. And he downloaded a PDF file, the computer. And after about 2 weeks, he called, Maharaj, I'm going crazy. This is so sweet. This is what I've been looking for my whole life. This is amazing. I mean, the words, it's just flowing. And he was going on. I was just holding the phone. He's like, I was holding a phone out here. Okay, it sounds good. And I was like, some, 16-year-old kid just fell in love or something like that. He was crazy, bonkers, flying in the sky, I said, yeah. I told him, I said, I first read that book in 1988. He said, really? I said, yeah, it's still rocking. Still rocks. So he really the fruit was on the tree, it was ripe, it was ready to fall. So the mango was there, and then the bird landed on the tree. Boom! Oh, wow! So what caused the fruit to fall? The bird landing on the tree, or the fruit was ripe? So what caused the devotee, my friend, to become a Raganugiya Bhakta? Was he ripe, or was it the book he got? Or was it probably both? He was ready, and the book was what he needed. And he subsequently read so many other books of the same commentator, and then he's going on pursuing his Rag Marg. So it's taste, from beginning to end. Bhakti from the beginning to end.